In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to reset Brother Printer HL1210W. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Factory resetting your Brother HL1210W or any other similar model is extremely simple. For this method, all that you have to do is use the power button. So, to start, press and hold the power button. While you are pressing and holding the power button, as long as the printer is on, you will be able to make sure that the top cover is closed and the power cord plugged in. Now, while still holding down the power button, open the top cover once. Now, close it again. So after you open it and close the top cover while still holding the power button, you will be able to let it go. Once you release the power button, all the LEDs should turn off. So now you need to press the power button 10 times. So instead of holding, just press it 10 times. Once you press the power button 10 times in a row, you will see the light eventually turn on and stay, and you should be able to hear the printer. Now, the HL1210W will work without errors because it is going to be factory reset. So, in summary, all that you have to do is press and hold the power button. While still doing this, open the top cover, close the top cover, and then release the power button. Now, press the power button again 10 times, and all of the settings will be reset to factory default. Usually this will help with a lot of settings or problems that you might be having, and of course, all data saved on the printer will be permanently deleted. So think twice before you proceed, but usually this will help you address any issues that you might be having, maybe due to a connection error, or maybe you are unable to print because it doesn't get detected. So by doing this method, you will be able to completely reset your Brother printer. I hope I was able to help you on how to reset Brother Printer HL1210W. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.